How does it feel to tell the untold? My love is growing every day. Where are you going? Why don't you stay? And I don't want to come home to an empty room, still under the spell of your perfume. And I don't know if I grow out of this or just getting old with the lies I've been told. Another life is passing by before my eyes, and I only stand still. I'm not there, but I will be one day. How could I hold you? How could I see if this love is true or it's not meant to be? And it is a blessing that you learned long ago how to say yes and when to say no. And I don't want to come home to an empty room. There's nothing for me here, so I'll be leaving soon. And I don't know if I grow out of this or just getting old with the lies I've been told. Another life is passing by before my eyes, and I only stand still. I'm not there, but I will be one day. No, I just sit on my wooden floor, watching the hours turning blue. They say whatever you long for longs for you too. Longs for